Intersecting lines R, S, and T are shown below. What is the value of X? For this question, once again, we are looking for an exterior angle. Recall, we can apply or use the exterior angle theorem, which states that the sum of two interior angles equals the exterior angle across from them. So let's use that logic. First things first, we need this angle here. We don't have it. Thankfully, we are given 106, and 106 together with the angle we need over here form a linear pair. We know that a linear pair adds up to 180. It's supplementary. So 180 minus 106 gives us that this angle here is 74 degrees. So once again, using the exterior angle theorem, 74 plus 23 should give us the angle we want, and that's going to be 97 degrees. That's it. Simple as that.